Taking that first step and getting your hearing evaluated is one of the hardest steps to take. So I am proud of you for taking that first step. Now the question is, what's the next step? Now that you know you have a hearing loss, what are your treatment options and what are realistic expectations with those treatment options? I hope you're getting the help you need. If you need help finding another provider, please let me know. I'm here to ensure you are hearing at your very best. All right, friends, have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.